So I'm Leo Orta, I'm based in France, I did my study abroad. The first series, which is called Peculiar Erosions, it's a series of chairs and sittings that are mostly sort of connected to the aesthetical landmark of Alula and the way that the geological sort of like stone has been eroded through time because of and with sand, stone and rain. And in regards to this, I wanted to capture the sort of like aesthetical landmark of Alula into a material which is locally sourced. For me, like the first question that came to mind was like, okay, how are you going to make an object with things that are only coming from Alula? And I think that has completely shaped me. I mean, it's like not me shaping Alula, it's Alula shaping my practice in a way, you know? So it's how do you understand to create in another country where you are with local materials is a question that is very important to me. So the design store, I think for me, was more of a way to showcase the 3 months residency that I did in Alula. It was a nice sort of like bridge between the two cities and between the practice that can happen also in other region of Saudi. That way for me, like, it's nice to see that I'm able to show some of the maquettes and the miniatures that have helped me shape the work that I'm showing in Alula, and having that back implemented in a way that people can approach the work in an affordable way is also something interesting. Then you can grasp a little piece of what has been done in Alula in a way. I hope that the visitor coming will take away mainly like maybe a source of inspiration into making their own, or at least thinking of the object that I'm giving away as a way that can connect to something else, a memory, or an idea of making something new, or I think it's a little bit like that. Maybe like a connection through past and a connection through future. So past memories and future ideas. Yeah.